Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where are we? Where are we? There we are. Alright, people, what's going on? Welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Let me just check RBA statements quickly. Yeah. Unchanged. Same shit, different day. Let me log in here. Top step. Alright, there we go. Or evening, yeah, evening. More like evening. It's 10 to 4 for me, 10 to 4 in the afternoon. 10 to 4 in the afternoon for me. Just gonna get Zoom set up here. Have a quick look at the news and see what Goldie's up to for the day. See what we got on gold. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Copy a link. Let me just go on Discord. Alright, awesome. The Zoom link is in. Alright, let's go on YouTube, fam. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. See if we get some trades today on Goldie. See if we can get some trades. Gold been chopping. Yeah, very, very choppy, man. I've been very busy today, so I haven't had a chance to have a look. But yeah, it doesn't look like we missed too much just yet. Hourly close is going to be interesting. Bit of a chop day yesterday as well, actually. Yesterday he ended up closing bearish, no top wick, which was quite surprising. Let me get the Zoom guys in here. All right, cool. Good morning, Zoom guys. Good morning, everyone. All right, let me have a... Just whilst we wait for everyone to join, let's have a quick look at the news. See what we got for today. We got we got core retail sales today. And then there's a US bank holiday tomorrow, which I believe the futures markets will be closed. Or for at least probably half the day. Usually you get half days sometimes. I'm not sure. I have to double check. But yeah. Half day, yeah, I thought so, man. Nice one, thank you, man. Half day tomorrow. Half day tomorrow in the futures markets. So we'll see. We'll see. What time's that news today? Let's have a look. 1:30 London time. Nice. Good time. A good time. I'll just let everyone join in here, and then we'll start breaking it down. A few more people join in. What's that, sorry, man?
How are you doing?
Ah, I'm good, thank you, man. How are you?
Trying to sell everything you guys want to buy a lounge or something?
Sorry, man?
Buy a lounge by chance? I'll play absolutely everything.
Really?
It's so painful.
How long do you go?
The 8th of July.
Oh, shit. Nice, nice.
Perfect time into Germany. So cool. So,
Nice, man.
yeah. When are you back from Vietnam?
It's a great question. Not by the 8th.
Nah.
No, probably like the 10th or something, so I have to catch up this weekend if you're free, man.
Yeah. Well, or what are you doing during the week? I can do weekend or week, whatever.
Yeah, we'll sort something out, man. I'll drop you a message.
Yeah,
Drop you a text, man. Sweet, man. Sweet, sweet. Half day meeting only Asian in London. Yeah, only Asian in London. No, you'll still get half in New York. You'll get until about 12 o'clock ish. So you'll have Asia, London, and then half in New York as well. All right, more people will join in. What time is it? Wait, a couple more minutes. But let's have a quick look at Asia. Actually, I haven't had a chance to jump on the charts for you today, so we'll have a quick look at what Asia's done so far. Kind of pushed down here, didn't really come. I had some lows down here, drawn on to come and grab, but he ended up breaking back above, closed above this range, Kind of chopped quite a lot actually. Broken back into range. I just drew these levels just now on the hourly. Just quickly, just kind of hourly little range here. This is your current resistance being formed here, current support being formed. Bit of a weird range, but hourly's not looking too bad. You wick above the previous hourly in 3 minutes, bottom wick, and we could have some longs. Or if we break back below, then we got sells down to here. What tools, capital, time investment do you suggest your students have when joining the program? Tools and capital 0. There's ways to gain capital without investing your own money, which is the link pinned to the top of the chat. And time is completely up to everyone, really. I say, if you can dedicate 2 hours a day, amazing. 2 hours a day for a whole year, fantastic. Even for hey man.
Question for you. So if you're looking like the 1 hour, so basically when the session started, it almost looks like there's a triple bottom there. Would you want to see price come down, or price come up, like grab the next this current hourly high and price back down? That's probably an area retail would be looking at. Where you still
Nah, I am overall today wanting shorts. Do you have a bottom wick on the daily yet? No, not really. A little one, not really. Yeah, it's kind of, well, I mean, actually, this daily's looking quite nice to flip back bearish. Kind of broken back below the top wick. See if we can dip down. I know some of you guys got the longs on this move up, but for me, it's kind of tough. Yeah, I like these lows to get grabbed today. And tap back down into here. Potentially even back down into here, actually. Could you maybe grab the highs beforehand? I don't know. You kind of had an equal highs here. Grabbed it, pushed down. I think this hourly close and involvement would be a key. But yeah, I would like to see these lows grabbed for sure. Top step X enough to paper trade on before buying quanta? Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, 100%. You don't need to buy anything, man. Don't buy anything yet. Don't buy anything. Don't spend your money.
Recording in progress.
30 highs look nice. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, you do have a lot of, you kind of got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal highs up here. That's a lot of 30-minute equal highs. There's a lot of equal highs. You may see some of them grabbed. Let's see. 30 seconds to the close. We'll start doing a bit of top-down analysis here. Or more people join in. Let me get everyone in here. No, I don't see one personally, man. I don't see one. Because if I was watching this for a time, I would have been watching this. And I wouldn't have been touching this. You would have wanted to wait for at least this 30 closure. And you maybe could have taken that one if it was worth it, but it was kind of messy. You did also just reject that as well, so no, I probably wouldn't have taken it. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it, to be honest, man. Matt's joining. Mark in the chat, what's going on, man? Yeah, you can have 5 AJ. Yep, you can have up to 5 funded accounts, man. Yep. All right, Ali's just closed. Let's have a look here on Goldie. Let's do a bit of top down here. So, actually, we'll clean up some of these levels. We'll start from scratch here. Start from scratch. Just get rid of all this crap here for a second. Won't be on Zoom, bro. All good, man. All good. It's all good, man. You're not allowed to leave unless you drop a like, though. That's the only exception. So yesterday Friday we closed bullish above this resistance. Yesterday we closed back below with no top wick. And, although there's no top wick on this daily, that means, given it as Monday, there's also no top wick on this weekly. So we're going to need to create that at some point. But we did end up closing bearish. We haven't really grabbed the past 1, 2, 3 daily lows. So you may see today come down, grab some daily lows. Then maybe towards the end of the week, you may see gold start to push back up into these regions up here, because these are very nice highs to get grabbed. And so are these lows, to be fair. Friday's high and low are 2 very nice liquidity areas. Wait, let's get more people joining Zoom. So, with the way that yesterday did close back below this level, unless you close back above and fake out again, you know, you can go long. But for today, you've closed back below your top wick, and you want to be looking for this to see if you can drive back down into these lows. It's kind of what I'm going to be looking for today. So daily to top wick like we are, and see if we can get this daily bottom wick, steeper bottom wick, and come back down into these regions. So I'm looking for sells overall today on gold. 4 hour here. Let's just have a quick look. You can kind of see it's very messy, but you have grabbed 4 hour highs without grabbing any of the 4 hour lows. So to me, it makes sense to see gold come down a little bit lower, unless you close back above like this area. You know, you can go long, but as it stands right now, I think we need to, even if we're going to push up into here, you know, and come and grab these highs, you would imagine you need to come down, grab that liquidity before then seeing that push. So that push down into that liquidity level and the daily bottom wick before potentially seeing that push up makes the most sense. I think if you're going to see gold push up, you need to grab the lows. So in either situation, whether gold's going to go up or down, downside to these lows first does make sense. Now we do have this. That's a very nice double bottom that we've just spotted there. I'll just draw my hourly levels again. Kind of just looking left. You got a nice support, resistance, fake out because it closed below, straight back above. That's the only time you can cut through bodies. Big wicks, big wicks. Look at that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. We've held above this level. If we close above, fantastic. You know, you can look for longs, but cross that bridge and you get to it. Support here as well. You can see pretty nice level there. Broke above, straight back below, fake out, broke above, retested, pushed higher. Massively just respected this level as well, currently bottom wicking. So because you're at this support, you know, could you play this little range for time being? Yeah, possibly. Yeah, triple bottom, yeah, 100%. You're very unlikely going to grab this low and not that one. So you could actually look at it from there as one big triple bottom, definitely. Yeah, absolutely. You wouldn't grab this one and not this one and not this one. So yeah, you'd probably wick out all of them. So if you have it drawn on from this one, yeah, I think that's good. I think that's very nice. Very nice. What did this previous hourly do? So we did close bearish, top wicked, massively grab the lows. You may re-grab the highs one more time. You're at this hourly support, so there's the possibility to scalp it back up before going down. Yeah, I like that, Mario. That's very nice. What do you have that on, man? The hourly. Yep, definitely, man. It's a nice channel as well. Just kind of got it like... We got it from the top. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like that, man. Yeah, definitely. So that would be the second touch. So, yeah, I mean, I love these highs to be grabbed. I want to see these highs get grabbed this week, but I'm wondering if we can see that dip back down, have that initial reaction off that trend line, and then start to see the huge, much bigger push up. Is kind of what I'm looking for. But these highs overall to be grabbed at some point this week do look very, very nice. They look very, very nice. More people in the waiting room. So because the hourly has just, you know, grabbed the lows, held respect in the support, could we look for longs into the next hourly until we actually close below this level? Yeah, possibly. Possible. It's a pretty solid kind of... Gold's really fucking messy at the minute. You got pretty decent level there as well. Support, broken below, resistance. So we just adjust this a little bit. That kind of looks a bit nicer from an intraday area for me. Broke below, straight back above. How big is this range? Excuse me. You kind of do have some equal lows down there, yeah. I would like to see maybe a 15 closure back below this level to then get some shorts. That 30 did come up, grab previous 30 highs and respect that level. So we can see this start to push down. 5 minutes looking nice in the futures here as well.
Yeah, and I went short on the flip of that, on the 30. It grabbed the prior one. That setup's been working really well, I feel like. So
yep.
Seems like a continuation to work a lot better than reversals, and I'm playing it really
yeah.
With the stop loss.
Yeah, I like it, man. I like it. Just grab previous 15 highs as well. It makes sense to me.
Yeah, I got my stop set to the flip of this. What is it? This 1 hour flip stack bullish. I'm just going to get out.
Yep. I like that, man. 5 minute looking nice as well. Close back below here, and you got potential down into here. Yeah, if we get a strong 5 minute close here, I might try jumping it as well. It's a nice push down. It's a very nice push down, actually. What's that? 10? Yeah, 10 ticks, nice.
Yeah, I've got my first TP set at 21.6
Yeah, I've seen that a few times as well. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. What's up, lads? Hey, Nate, what's going on, man? Rampage trade, yeah, in the building. In the building. Yeah, look how many times you came close to these lows here. Look at that, came so close to it, so close to it. Ended up retracing another 40. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Left the bomb today. Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, definitely. Whichever you prefer, you can you can mic or you can type in the chat, whichever you prefer. Everyone's more than welcome to do both. Yeah, 5 minutes breaking out nicely. Yeah, these lows look very nice to be grabbed. Actually, these lows look very nice to be grabbed. If we get a strong 5 close, I might see if we can give it a go. You got a decent stop loss placement above here now as well. That's a nice grab of previous 5 highs. If you break that high there, you're going to come up much higher. So risking off that is pretty nice. What do you have from here? Minimum 15. We're not just going to tap it and reject. You're going to spike it out a little bit more. So you could be getting, and you may come back down to here as well. So like 20s. And if you re-grab these lows, you're probably also just going to grab these. So I'll be looking for gold to tap into here. So nice 5-minute closure here. Potential instant top wick. And we'll see if we can get it. 23.368 short too. Nice. 23.68. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Like up here. Yeah, very nice. Currently grabbing previous 15 lows as well. Grabbing 15 lows.
It gets 10 to 15-ish ticks, and then it starts to get stuck. And then it usually gets swept up. So
yeah. I kind of got two very nice 30 equal lows there now. 30's looking the cleanest, I think. 30's looking the cleanest.
I got my stop at break even, so.
Yep, good man.
If it works, if it doesn't, is what it is.
Good man. Yeah, retail trap for buys. Yeah, I agree, man. Daily open, yeah. Where is it? Where's daily open? Yep. See, 30 seconds to this 5's going to close. Let's see, Goldie. Do you have a top wick on this 5? No, you don't. You've just grabbed these lows here at the previous 15 lows as well. Do you have to be mindful of that? See here, just wicked out the 15 lows. Oh, let's see. Not bad close. Go on, close. Close below, Goldie. Close below. Let's see. It's not a terrible close. Not the best close either. You may fill in that wick. $20 into the lows. Yeah, not bad. Hey, Peter, what's going on, man? Good to see you still trading. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Always. Let me just see. Look, I'm not going to put anything in just yet. I'm just having a look here, see what this would look like. You're risking about 116-ish, 116, about 11-ish ticks is where we'd manage this trade. Probably around here, you'd start to manage it. Less than 10. I don't have any orders in just yet. I'm just kind of just drawing this up, seeing how it looks. The 5-minute, I mean, it wasn't the worst close. It also wasn't the best close. It's a pretty last 5 of the 15 as well. So you may just want to see how that closes.
Creeping back up.
Yeah, it's creeping. These lows are huge.
I'm not honestly not surprised.
I'll move this out of the way. I'm not putting anything in here just yet. Nothing in just yet. Because the last 5 of the 15, you may as well just wait to see how this 5 closes to see if that 15 is going to actually break below this support or not. If the 5-minute closes back above, then the 15 is going to be leaving a pretty steep wick, grabbing previous 15 lows. And this is an area where we want to be careful in here. Wait, where do I have on the 30? Yeah, here. It's kind of hard. It's kind of so hard to draw. It's so messy. But yeah, probably here. Here's an area you want to be careful. This is a yeah, 15 tick range. Head and shoulders. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Yeah, definitely, I like that, man. I like that head and shoulders for sure. What actually is the news later on? Is it anything super important, or is it yeah, retail sales? Yeah, it is. Then what else do we have for the week? Unemployment claims on Thursday. Doesn't really do too much. PMI on Friday. I'm drawing this one up. I'm not. Don't take this, guys. I'm not taking this, but I'm just drawing this up, seeing what it would look like. I'm not taking it just yet. I'll wait for the 15 to close. So if you're in the flip, you'd be in from there. Well, right now you're grabbing those. You'd be at break even pretty quick. I'm not in this. I'm just doing a little forward test. GJ on Top Step. How can I find it? You can't trade GJ specifically, but you can trade currency futures. So you could trade pound futures and you could trade yen futures as well. You know, pound yen's going down, then the yen's typically getting stronger, the pound's getting weaker. So you could find whichever setup looks cleaner on the pound or the yen. It's a nice flip. 15's close is actually going to be pretty nice here. Don't rip it just yet, Goldie. Don't be dirty like that. Don't do that. USD pairs, yep, absolutely.
6 away from my target. Come on, Goldie.
It's playing.
You know, I'm just gonna close one of my lots just to lock this in case this pulls back on.
Yeah, wouldn't surprise, man. It's a good shout. GBSD, yeah.
Small win, right?
It's good, man. Stack them up. Yeah, you can trade pound US dollar. Yep, that's just pound futures. This is GBP USD. Exactly the same thing. Any USD pairs, yeah, it's very easy to trade. You know, AUD USD, just Australian dollar futures. Where are we? Yeah, just AUD USD, same as New Zealand dollar. Absolutely everything. Right, 15's just closed nice and bearish on Goldie. So if we get a top wick, we'll look to sell it. Now that we've got that 15 closure. Would have loved to be in from there, but that 5 minute here wasn't enough for me to want to take it. Not with how choppy we've been. In normal conditions, absolutely. In order for it to be worthwhile, if we measure from down here, in order for us to get minimum 20, we need it to pull back to at least here. At least here to make it worthwhile. There's currently no bottom wick, and there's current 5 on the futures as well. Closed 8 micros of 2 runners. Yeah, nice. Yep, nice, Mario. Very nice, man. Yeah, good stuff, man. Very nice.
I closed out my second lot. I'm just gonna leave my last one.
Yep, good man. Good man. I've seen sometimes on gold, and quite a few times recently, you can see lows like this being respected a lot if there's news on the day, and sometimes it can take all the way until news, and it can come down, it can creep all the way, and it can take all the way until news, and then it smashes down. It can respect these lows so much. So if you're trying to short into these lows, you know, you want to be doing it at the best possible place where if it goes wrong, it won't be wrong too bad, like here and here. Trying to short it here to quickly wick out these lows doesn't always have to. Yet.
I think that's what's going on. Is everyone's trying to short, and like the bigger money's just squeezing it up and pushing it back up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Close 5 micros, the previous low. Stops the break even. Yeah, nice, Harry. Good job, man. Good job. You guys did take it. I did not. Good job. Let me see. Down into here, 20. Yeah, pull up a little. If we pull up a little bit more, I'll try and get in this. It needs to pull up more so I can make it worthwhile. Like I say, me shorting it here, just the risk reward isn't really worth it. You maybe pull out 13. It's not really worth it. I want it to pull up a little bit more, make it worth our time. Yeah, because you got the pound. Yeah, definitely. What's it been like? Decent push down as well. Yeah. Oh.
It's just not moving.
It's really not. I mean, this is what London was like yesterday as well.
Sorry guys, I jinxed it.
It's 30s, grabbing previous 30 lows.
Is how it was yesterday in London?
Yeah, man, yeah. Well, it was yesterday.
Like New York was very good today, except for like right before it opened, and
yeah.
I think my second trade was like an hour and a half up after, like 9:30 our time.
Yeah, New York was weird. Where does it move? Big push up, down, down. Not taking any sales here just yet. I need to see some signs of rejections. The more you do reject from this area, though, the more likely you're going to rip it later on. You just have to remember it doesn't have to do it right now. As much as we would like it to, it doesn't have to do it right now. Will it do it at some point? Say, yeah, very likely, but it doesn't have to do it right now. If we start breaking back above, these highs look very interesting to me. These highs up here. I don't believe so. Golden platinum now. I don't think so. What is platinum? Here. I don't think so.
Platinum's kind of its own thing. I'm totally blanking on what drives it more. It's not quite like oil where it's all news, but it's...
Yeah, platinum's a weird one.
I know people that swing trade platinum and absolutely love it, but it's just...
It's fucking crazy to me. It looks like shit. I don't even know how the hell you even trade this.
So there's like a whole community of people that trade it based off the 4 hours, and I'm like, I'm not trying to have a massive thing like that.
Yeah, me neither. Starting to reject a little bit here, which is nice. You may wick up the lows a little bit more and then push down. Platinum and silver more together, yeah.
Hey Ron, it's Juneteenth, which is not universally celebrated here, but federally it is now.
Alright, not bad 5-minute close. If we wick out some 5-minute highs, then we can look to take it, because then we can risk off them highs as well. If we grab some highs, then we can risk off that and see if we can get a sell stop on this 5. Futures is currently pushing down. This chart here is going up. I'm not really too sure what the hell's going on there. Is that just because it's micros? Let me go on to normal. Why do the micros and normal not look the same? Yeah, it's really weird. Let's see. Grab some highs first. Yeah, it is. It's so annoying when they're different like that. I haven't put any orders in here just yet, guys. I'll tell you when I put in the orders. I got nothing in just yet. Nothing yet. Starting to grab the highs now, which is nice. So if we start to reject from here and look like we're going to close back below this level, amazing, we can start to look to see if we can get a sell stop. Remember, we did grab previous 30 lows as well, so in less than 10 minutes we start closing back above, then we'll reassess. He did grab them 30 lows, but we'll wait for that 30 close when it actually closes. For now, we'll trade what we see in this current 5. And on the 15 close bearish. Unless the 15 closes back above, amazing, react to longs, but as long as it stands as 15, grab the highs, close bearish. I want to react to that. This fucking price action is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Top step tilt saying, let's have a look. 45 long, 55 short. Ooh. Grabbing highs here. I may have a sell stop on this current 5 in a second and risk off that high. You don't need to risk off any more than this current high if you're going to take this 5 flip, because if it re-breaks that high, you're probably just going to close bullish above this and come much higher. So, no, maybe not. No worries. Okay. See you later, gold. Didn't want to sell stop in anyway. It was a good job on securing some down here, just reacting to what we've seen so far. Would have been so easy to try and hold this down. Yeah, nice. It's good, man. It's good. No. Oh yeah. I hadn't seen that. That's what I need on my streams. That's pretty funny. That's funny. Hey guys, did I miss anything? No, not yet, not yet. Potential sell in this current 5 though. We're trying to grab the lows down here. We haven't taken anything just yet. One more minute. You'd be looking like a 10 tick stop loss in this trade, so it may be worth a half risk entry in a second. I may look to put it in. Let me just see. What am I on? I'm not on micros. Fuck, I'm not right there. I'm on normal. So I need to sell W3. Let's see. One more minute. One more minute. I wouldn't risk off any more than this 5 high. If you break this high, the next 5 will close back into this range, and the 30 will be closing with a big steep bottom wick and probably a bullish candle. Will be where the bullish be. If you start breaking above here, that'll be when the 30 goes bullish. Not flipping. The futures is flipping, but this FX is starting to flip now. One more minute. Now it's fine. We'll wait for this to close. If we close like this, next 5 minutes will still give you the top wick, and then fantastic, we'll sell it. I don't see this just ripping down out of here, but this is looking nice. This is looking good. So be ready. Instant top wick in the next 5, and we're going to look for some sells here on gold. Sells down into here, and trying to get sells down into here at least. Next 5. Boom, boom. I think it's worth a shot. The risk is pretty good. You can risk like 10 ticks. 16 seconds. If you break this high, then you could be looking for longs into here as well. 3 seconds. Let's see. If we get an instant top wick, let's look for some sells. Instant bottom wick. Yeah, last 5 of the 30. Yeah, that's okay. You just want to see it drive with the volume. If it doesn't close the volume, then you can just manage your risk. All right. Let's see. It's a pretty steep push up, so I'm going to take the break of the low if it does push down instead. I don't like retest entries in this area. If we start to reject, you're going to have a sell stop on this current 5 and risk off whatever the high is going to be. I don't know where the high is going to be yet, but stop loss will be above this current 5 if it flips down. Yeah, because this is the last 5 of the 30, you don't want to get tagged in this trade and it closes doji. You want this to actually drive. So if it doesn't drive, you can probably manage quite quick. Let me see. We rejected? Not yet. Futures pushing up quite hard. Not just yet, man. I'm just trying to see if we're going to reject. Stop loss will be like 7 to 8 ticks maybe, which is nice. This will be break-even point as well. I may not take anything off here, but I'm trying to run it lower. But that will be where you'll have to manage. No signs of rejection just yet. No sell stop in just yet, guys. Not yet. Feel a big move coming with gold. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. Nah, pushing up too much here. Nah. You would have wanted to drive down quickly, so no order in there yet. Let's wait. If this 5-minute closes back into this range, remember this 30 is going to close respecting that support. So let's see. You would have wanted a quick little top wick and a decent drive. That was a very, very nice 5-minute liquidity grab. To then start to come back up is, yeah, just kind of what we're dealing with at the minute. You're going to re-grab the highs by the looks of it now. You're not going to reject from here and not grab that high. So yeah, 30 is probably going to close back into this range. After wicking out the lows, you've wicked out 30 highs, you've wicked out 30 lows, you're back into range. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. But again, this is why it's good to put in them sell stops. If it doesn't flip, it's okay. You just wait. You gotta be aggressive with the management of these ranges. It is, Mario. Yeah, it is. Painful, man. Painful. It's like we're gearing up for something. How's the 4 hour looking? We honestly haven't done much since that big rip on NFP. We're just kind of bouncing this big area. I'm long as your trade's going to work. Nah, I'm not in this yet. I mean, if you're long, if you close back above here, it might actually look quite nice in 1 minute. If you can close back above there, depending on where you're long from, it actually could look nice. I'll worry about these probably later on. You may grab these highs and then maybe grab the lows. If we don't do it now, you may do something like that. Yeah, SMC. Yeah, it did. It did quite well actually. Didn't grab these as BA. Did grab a low. Oh, no, good goal with swings. Yeah, it does, man. It moves. It does move. It moves. It moves very, very well for swings, man. It's very, very simple. But you just gotta be more patient. Like if you're looking for a swing on gold now, you'd be looking to sell up here and buy down here. Anything in the middle, you wouldn't really be watching it. That 30 just closed. It's not a terrible close. You did close back. You closed below, back above, back below. Last time you closed back below, you top wick and have a decent drive down. So, you know, we're still closed. We're still closed and respecting this level. So, I still like it to come down. It's just so fucking messy. Like if you break these lows, could we still be looking for that same trade? Maybe. I'm not going to take it just yet though. But yeah, we still, you know, as long as the 30 trades below this level, here's our resistance, here's our support down here. Very simple. So unless we close back above here, 30 did close. It's not the cleanest, like I say, but it did close respecting this level. So for the next 30, you'd be looking for sales. Unless the next 30 closes back above, then, you know, next 30 you go long into the hourly. But as long as the 30 holds below this level, yeah, I'm just selling gold here. I'm not long in anything just yet. Especially when there's no real bottom wick on this daily. That'll be my next level there. I don't know if that long question mark comment is a joke or not, but I literally just explained for 5 minutes why I will not be taking any longs. With a big fat sell risk reward tool drawn up. Wait, it is 5 close. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Oh, look at that. There's a surprise. What the fuck?
Another thing I've seen, if you look at the 30-year, you see how you rate these last, including the current candle, last, what, like 4? You got a strong impulsive move down.
Yeah.
It shoots up, it pulls back down, and it wicks out the prior low, but not the low before that, and then it moves back up. I feel like I've seen this, what are you going to call this, just a lot over the last, like, last week and yesterday.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's very crazy. These are the ones here where if I wasn't even on this right now, honestly, but I'd probably have an alert like up here, an alert down there, and anything in between can just kind of do whatever the hell it needs to do. So I kind of did yesterday. When I was on after our London session yesterday, where were we? Here, yeah, I literally had an alert up here, like an alert down there, and just waited for the alerts to go off. And he did nothing for like, we jumped off at like 9, we jumped off here. Did nothing from 9 a.m. until about 2 p.m. Which if you were watching that go sideways, fuck, you'd lose your mind. Yeah, but I don't blame you, man. What time is it there, man? 11ish? 1:30. Wow, grind. On the grind.
Yeah, I don't really like trading in London, or not New York during news days. It just doesn't seem to work for me. So I figured
Yeah.
London today.
Yeah, good man.
Okay, one in Asia, so.
Good man. Do you have some longs in Asia? What was your? Was it market chat? Let me have a look. Oh yes.
I think I ended up stopping out for break even. Actually no, it was a short into the same area. I forget exactly where it was.
Nice.
The exact same thing happened. It pulled back, and instead of closing a couple early, I just ended up hitting break even.
Yeah, nice. Aaron, just curious on your thoughts around more retail setups playing out to induce newer traders given the recent popularity in Forex and futures? Nah, nothing, man, nothing. Like, you know, like when I say retail traps, they're not actually retail traps. Like the big dogs who move in the markets don't give a shit about our stops. Like they're literally absolutely meaningless. Like when I say real retail traps, I don't mean it's like, you know, the market makers are actually stopping out retail traders. Like we are, like, you know, retail traders are absolutely nothing to the big dogs. Like, you know, when people think that they actually hunt their stops, like they actually don't. They don't give a shit about their stops. Their stops are literally worthless to the amount of billions that are going through this market every day. So no, I don't. I don't believe that that's the reason. If they are playing out, like, that's awesome, man. That's a good deal. Recognize now. Definitely react them and start trading them. But the reasons behind it, I don't believe it would be that. But if you're spot on, they work out well. That's awesome, man. Trade them. Take advantage of them, man. Take advantage of the trends. You never know how long they're going to last, though. Nah, broker's not... Nah, neither, man. Neither. Unless it's IC markets last week. Yeah, he uses to pay commissions. Yeah, nah, not even brokers, no. Not even brokers. I mean, unless they're unregulated and a bit dodgy, there's definitely... I've seen many of times where brokers have done crazy stop hunt wicks that don't actually happen on, like, the actual gold exchange, but a good regulated broker will never do. I personally have never seen that on Blu-ray. That's why I was very, very surprised to see it on IC markets as well last week. Was it last week? Yeah. Definitely, don't get me wrong, broker manipulation 100% happens, but they're not actually hunting our stops. Starting to find some nice resistance here. Remember, this 30 can flip bearish. Yeah, she can every time we take a trade. Was it yesterday we spotted it? Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. That's what I say. Like I said, it's surprising for IC markets because they're, a broker that I would actually say are probably good. Gold was like going up really well, but we had a look on IC markets and they were pushing gold lower, but it was the only provider where they were pushing lower whilst gold was going high. It was crazy. I might get some sales here on gold in a second. Oh, don't drop just... Yeah, I'm not in this. 5 minutes push, looking nice now, though. Finding some pretty decent resistance there. Oh, don't be a motherfucker. Don't just rip Goldie. How long we got? 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Top wick and we got some sales. This is looking pretty nice now. We're getting some volume here. Wicked out some highs, 30s, reflipping bearish. We could have it. I want an instant top wick. Oh, you mother effer. Don't do it just yet, Goldie. $16 seconds. $7 seconds. Oh, we're gonna need a pretty decent top wick now. Yeah, 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute sweeps were really nice. It's like a beautiful little 5 minute evening style there as well. Instant top wick, nah, bottom wick, no worries. Yeah, it was. Look, you zoom right in. That's what I was seeing as well. It actually was nice. You rejected, re-grabbed the highs, retested, never re-grabbed the liquidity high. Big push down. Obviously, we're not going to get a top wick though. It's Goldie for you. Yeah, me too, to be honest. Me too.
You guys think people are about to trying to jump in short here, expecting it to almost pass it there.
Oh, let's see. 15. Yeah, look at that 15. Yeah, daily flip. Where's that daily flip? Down here. Trying to get a bit of volume here. We're trying. If we do take sales around here, if you start closing back above, you can manage your trade pretty well. So it could be worth it. What do you have down into here? 20, yeah, 20. 20. See, it's a very, very strong push back up here. Look at this. It's fucking crazy. At 5 close, no, little bottom wick. Grabbing these two lows. Yeah, I agree, Marion. I agree, man. Remember, if this overall today, if this daily can flip bearish, we could come all the way down into here as well, which is yesterday's low. So many equal highs though as well. Gonna go equal highs, equal lows. Liquidity to push higher. I wouldn't really think about that too much, to be honest, man. I would just react to, you never want to predict a liquidity grab. Like if it grabs these lows and starts closing back above, then you can go long. But you only look for it to be a liquidity grab, if you start closing back above. Like, as it's grabbing these lows, once you're down here, I don't really start thinking, could this be grabbing these lows to push higher? I just want to make sure I'm in the cells and I'm exposed to that first. And then once you start getting back above a level, then then you can start considering that it's a potential liquidity grab. Like liquidity grab's only confirmed once it grabs the lows and actually closes above. Otherwise, if you always think about trying to catch or predict the liquidity grab, price could easily just break this, retest and push lower. And if you're too glued to it being a liquidity grab, you could miss out on some decent downside. So as long as I get the sells down, that's pretty much my trade. If we do grab these, close back above, then yeah, boom, amazing. Can react to it, grabbing them for sure. Could do it the other way too, down. Yeah, 100%. Yep, 100%. Could easily, if we don't grab these lows here, you could easily come all the way back up into here, then grab these lows. Like, yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, shallow.
Look at him, he's out. Who would have thought? What are you on about? I'm always out.
That's weird. Fuck knows. Long 5 more. 15's about to close here. Yeah, 15's looking. This 15's actually starting to close pretty bearish. Let's see. So it's quite a nice. How's that? Wait, 130. 15, yeah, 15 bearish, instant top wick. 15 did close back below after closing back above again. Below, back above, back below. So if you top wick, you could sell, and if it closes back above, well then that's fine. Just you can just cut it. So we start grabbing these highs, these previous 5 highs. I may look for some sells here. Grab these previous 5 highs. Let's see. There's a pretty nice instant top wick in this 15 as well. Futures is currently grabbing the highs, but I want to see it grabbed on this currency as well. Yeah. Yeah, it's annoying how micros and mini smooth different. It should be the exact same. Took 14 ticks on 3 minis. In and out. Yeah, nice, good work, yeah. In and out's good, man. Get them quick in and out moves today. 4 tick spread of 1. Really? That's fucking crazy. Let me have a look. If it's 4.
Wait, did you market order or did you stop order?
Yeah, 4 sounds like a lot. Mine says about 2.
Yeah, that's on. Yeah, assume 2 to 3 ticks if you market order. That's why I try and limit stop everything.
You don't get it as much when you do like stop orders.
I mean, I'd say it's usually 1.
That's good. Yeah, one's good. I can handle one.
I mean, I don't like it because it should be right where I feel like I'm trade evaders all the time.
Yeah, 100%.
But yeah, those market orders are not great.
Oh, Goldie. You couldn't grab them highs, could you? Nah, couldn't grab the highs. Re-breaking the lows there. If we just wicked out that previous 5 high, I was going to try and mark execute sell here. But I just didn't want to give it. Didn't want to give it.
It's almost at a double top now on the current and previous 5 if it were to pull back up.
Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. Gonna go 1, 2, 3 equal 15 highs here now as well. 10 minutes to this. Ali's gonna close. Yeah, Ali's looking pretty strong. Very strong. Very, very strong. Look at this 5 rejecting the lows again, re-grabbing the lows again, and instantly rejecting. It's crazy. Yeah, Funding did close bearish top wick, but you know, here now it's like, what's the fucking point? It's like 3 ticks away. Gold does not want to play. Does not want to play ball today. You may push down from here on Goldie, but yeah, it's just not worth it now. Candles look spaced out and choppy on certain charts. You may have to make sure you're on the right contract, man. Whatever you're trading, if you just type in the instrument and then CME on Google, it will tell you the current contracts. You just got to make sure you're in the right one. That was the nicest sell there. That would have been beautiful. Looks like you're just gonna grab the lows from here. Yeah, motherfucker. That one just wasn't worth it. Taking that one. 60, it's not worth it. That was the move. It's all good. Oh, there you go, look at that. Wick the lows, straight back up. Yeah, people are just smashed. People who are long and short, I think, we just got wrecked there. Look at that. People jumping longs there. Stops below. Wick them out. Boom. That was our target. So I shortened it from here. Just wasn't worth it. You want to be shorting up here and up here. But yeah, grab that liquidity. Didn't grab that low, but you have grabbed that one, which could be enough. You know, you start grabbing these lows and closing above in this next hourly. Then you've grabbed all downside needed for now. You may look to come up into here. If you want to get buys up instead, we need a decent closure. A very decent closure. Yeah, just create that daily wick. Yeah, it did it. Yeah, nice. It just literally created straight back up. Yeah, it did. Yeah. Yeah. Good spot. Good spot. What? Oh. Fuck. Got 19 ticks first trade. Break even 3D. Yeah, nice. 30. No, 19 is great. Good work. Did you get it from this one? Yeah, if you got it from that one was great. That one was really nice. It was very quick, but it was actually very nice. So it's a very minor evening style. Rejected, regrab the highs, retest, push down. That's the one I wanted. Go here. I see. Settings. Morning start. I'll show you. I'll absolutely show you. So a morning star, morning and evening star. So morning star is to the downside here, evening star is to the highs. So morning star is when you're looking for a yeah, I get you, Mario. Morning star. This is a beautiful morning star here, and gold loves them a lot. And this is one here. It's not super clean, but it is one. But what it is let's get out the beautiful drawings. Apologies, you guys on YouTube won't be able to see my amazing zoom drawings, but what it is you see if you see this push down, you see a next candle come down, grab the lows, close a bit doji. Look at these beautiful drawings. Look at that. I think I've been practicing. And then you see like this. So all it is you basically see price reject a level, re-grab the lows here. There's your liquidity grab, and then this is your retest, and then there's your push. So it's a that's a morning star. When it rejects, regrabs the lows, still closes above, retests and push higher. And then if I can flip it, let me see. If we can go, oh, it flips on zoom, but not there. But yeah, and then the evening star is just the opposite way around. And gold does them a lot. Where's the gallery opening? So you kind of see you have one here right now. You reject, you re-grab the lows, you grab the liquidity, you retest, and then you push up. That's a morning star. Evening star here, you reject, you re-grab the highs, you retest, respecting the liquidity grab, and then you have the push. And that's also our plan as well. It's also on a lower time frame. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You know, a little mini head and shoulder as well. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And this big drive here, this is the liquidity grab. You want to wait for this one to close, and then you want to be entering in off this one. And you'll see them all the time on gold. You got another one here as well. Reject, liquidity grab, retest, nice push. You'll see them, yeah, all the time. If you can spot them on gold before they happen, fantastic. You could be on this candle here. That's why shorting this one was nice. When you rejected, re-grabbed the highs. When this one was retesting, you want to flip the candle here, stops above the liquidity grab, and then try and get that drive. They're very, very profitable. And like I say, gold does them. Gold does them absolutely all the time. Possible morning star on the 15. Let's have a look. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, 100%. Good spot. Yeah, see, potential one here on the 15. Absolutely. So you've rejected. You re-grabbed the lows. So as long as this 15 closes above this next 15 bottom wick, then we'll be having that evening star, and that's what's good. You want to be trying to spot them whilst they're happening on this candle, so then you know on the next candle. If you look for that bottom wick, as long as you respect this low here, anywhere from retesting this initial wick is a good area to push up. You want to see these areas respected. Tap anywhere down into there, then you can risk off that liquidity low, and then you get the push. Yeah, nice spot, Boone. Nice spot. So I think that 15 close will make the most sense. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, so you want it to respect this one, not grab that. If you grab that, you're going to come much lower. So now this 15 has just grabbed the lows, closed respecting. We can bottom wick a little bit more. Then you can look for a flip of this 15, risk off that low, and play it up into wherever your upside target is. So now you can drop down to the 5 minute and see what starts to look like one. So the 5 minute, also nice evening star. So could you take buyers on the break of this high and have a stop loss somewhere down here? Yeah, definitely. It's a pretty decent 15 bottom wick there as well. Now look at that 15. It's now creating that bottom wick. So if this 15 can flip bullish, we could actually have some longs. You know, to at least grab these 15 highs. What would that be? 27, yeah. So that's that. You come back down to that initial wick now. So if you start to bounce from this area, we may look for a buy stop here on gold in a second. See if we start to reject. That also hourly did just close. And also hourly, you know, rejected, re-grab the lows. Potential hourly evening star as well. So let's start to see if we can get some longs from here. If you re-break these lows here, then the setup becomes invalid. You want to see that low respected. So you don't need stops all the way down here. You can risk off that low once you do flip bullish. Or ideally, if you reject from here, you're grabbing the previous 5 low. Well, then you can just refine it and risk off that 5 low. Risk that 8 ticks. And ideally, we drive it back up into here. So if we show signs that we're going to reject here and flip bullish, I may look for a buy on the break of this current 5 soon. I want to see that it's going to reject here. Starting to reject. You're coming. It's pushing too much down now. That's why you want to take the break of the highs. If you don't want to, if it just pushes down, if you have a buy stop here, you just cancel it. The fact that this is pushing down this much, you're probably going to re-grab these lows by the looks of it. Take a look at this on the hourly. Which, if the hourly does, then you may have to wait for the hourly to grab it. See if it then closes back above. Then you do the next thing for the next hour. But that's a pretty... You come that close to that hourly low now that you would expect you're going to grab it. You'd want to see it retest this one, but not come that close. That's come too close for me. Like, yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I see that, man. Definitely. We're getting squeezed in here for sure. Now saying gold long. You're a gold wizard. So if it doesn't happen in this one, then you'll just wait for it to happen on the next hour. Goldie's not playing ball today. Look at that. Re-breaking the lows. Did you grab them little 5 highs that we spoke? Oh, you actually did. If we couldn't do that here, could we? We had to come all the way back up, wick out that very, 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 very minor. Look at that. You just about zoom in. Did actually wick out that little liquidity high that we spoke about, and then straight back down. Still not worth it to me. Fucking hell, gold. Yeah. Where's that? You got 2, 3, 4, 4. Huge. To come higher. You have so many highs up here to grab. So many. As we broke the lows, we look at a position at the break of the high. No, I don't think so. If I was looking to break the hourly high, I would just wait to see how it actually closes. Could be very unlikely that you'd wick all the way back up and start driving from here. You'd probably, if you were going to long, you'd wick back up to here. The next hourly would then drive down. And then you'd be looking for it. And that would be a very nice play. Goldie's making us work today. And yesterday. Did any of you guys who had the shorts, did you guys manage to hold? I imagine it probably got you. Yeah, definitely. You guys who got the shorts from here, did you close full? Yeah, got break even. Yeah, if you got it from there, yeah, break even for sure. I don't know if you guys who had it from here. You probably would close full, to be honest. Yeah, you probably closed full. Break even, yeah, break even's good. Still in, yeah, nice. Currently up 350. Yeah, nice, good work. That one was the cleanest. That one was beautiful. Got to bounce. Take care, guys. Yeah, all good, AJ. See you next time, man. Yeah, sound, man. See you next time, man. On a prop firm, yeah, still good, man. Still good. Still good. Start my first. Yeah, you can look to me. Yep. Absolutely, man. Look at this 15. 15 grab the lows, closed bullish, straight back down. I guess you could probably argue that this is one of them ones where if that's a liquidity low to push up, you should be good to hold it. But if you do break it, you push down. I mean, it's 11 ticks. It looks like it's moving loads here. It's literally not. It's moved. The fact that on the break of that low is only 11 ticks just shows how choppy this actually is. What is this? The current 15. Yeah, it's 20 ticks is alright though. 20 is nice. Win's a win, brother. Yeah, absolutely, James. Absolutely, man. Score on jump on YouTube. Yep, all good, Marriott. All good, man. Went to take profit. Made a loss trying to hold trades yesterday when I think I could have made profit. For me, I take profit at liquidity levels. So if we were short in this, we would be out. As soon as you grab these lows, that's when we'd be out. Just playing from one liquidity level to the next. So if we did short this, yeah, we'd be out there. We wouldn't be holding this. We'd be out there. You want to be securing profits once it comes into a next level of where it can start to go against you. So if you were to look at this right now, if we were just to look left, this right here is a pretty strong area. So if you're short from around here, you'd want to be securing some profits back here because this could easily retest back up into here before going lower. As soon as you start coming into these big areas, you want to be securing because you could tap into this even if you're going to break this area and come all the way down to there. You're going to have that initial reaction before them pushing down. So depending on where your entry is, if you're scalping from here, well then you may as well take partials here. And if it comes back up, you can give your trade another chance. No, just base hits. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I would even take some base hits, to be honest. I haven't taken a single trade here yet. Nothing has been that clear to me, other than here. And once you grab these highs, I wanted shorts from here once you grab these highs, but it took all the way down to once you grab the lows, then I'm not going to short from up here because you grabbed the liquidity. Once you grab the liquidity, that's my shorts done. On average, I'd say one a day. But the past week, maybe I had maybe 3 last week. I haven't had any this week. But on average, yeah, I'd say I'm on average a trade a day. Sometimes I could have no trades in a day. Sometimes I could have 3. Honestly, it just depends. But I'd say on average at least a trade a day. Because sometimes more, sometimes less. 1 a day is probably my sweet spot. But that's on average. Doesn't mean I have to take one every day. I always find with trading, sometimes you can go like 2 days of doing nothing, and the next day, you can have 3 good trades in a row. Yeah, I agree, Mac. Yeah, it's not been easy to me since NFP dropped. Took the huge sales on NFP, then wait, where was it? Where was NFP? Was that it? No. Wait, what am I on? I'm on the 5 minute. Yeah, since NFP, nothing has been super easy. I don't think. We called these big sells in NFP here, and then since then you never re-grabbed these lows. So I didn't really take much of this. You just kind of been in this one big massive range after this huge push down. Without really grabbing it, even any lows down here to be able to even catch this move up. So yeah, I agree. God, been super choppy this week. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's been choppy since NFP. But it you look back on high time frame, it does make sense. You had this big push down. You're always gonna do something like this. So if you're gonna do something like this, you just want to be in at good areas. You want to be trading around the highs or the lows. In the middle, you can trade in the middle when you're scalping. It doesn't really matter. You just got to be open to the fact that you will chop a little bit more. You're gonna get your highest probability trades at the highs or at the lows. But the way that I look at this chart on gold, overall, I do love these highs to get grabbed before another leg down. I would love to see these highs grabbed. Grab these highs and then see that next leg down to 22.50. Maybe this week, next week, I'm not too sure. But that would be my overall plan. Because remember, you didn't even grab the lows down here. Look at this. two perfect equal lows there. You're going to see them grab, but again, I want to see these highs grab before then seeing that big push. And from, 2350 back down to 2250 is a 1,000 tick range, which is pretty huge. But yeah, that's why it's always so important to have that overall higher time frame bias and just understand that you've had this big leg down. You had a big leg down. You then ranged from the 23rd pretty much all the way until the 6th of June, and then you had that continuation. But what did you do before that continuation? Came all the way up, re-grabbed the highs, then had the big push down. Pretty much what I'm saying here. Come up, re-grab the highs, and then we can look at that big push. Yeah, look, it should get Goldie moving. Yeah, absolutely. Drill up the double top on the 4 hour. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this one's very nice, man. Yeah, this one's beautiful. This is a beautiful one. And I'm honestly, overall this week, I'm trying to find good opportunities where you can buy up into that. I think it's going to be below here. Let me get rid of this one. I think anywhere below here will be a decent area to see if you can buy up into here. It'd be, yeah, huge. It'd be absolutely huge. Let's see though, 15's about to close here on gold. What are we saying? Not much. But yeah, I mean, if anyone is finding the markets a bit weird at the moment, it is absolutely not you. It's everyone, but the thing that sets around retail traders from good traders is knowing when to trade and knowing when not to trade. If it's not making much sense to you right now, that's okay. At some point this month or this week or the next day, it will. You just got to wait for when it does. When it's not making that much sense, that's when everyone blows up and gives everything back. But for me, I could sit here on stream with you guys, not take a single trade and be totally okay. Because I know that next trade is always right around the corner. But if you take stupid trades in times where you probably shouldn't be trading, when that next good opportunity does come out, you'll kick yourself for taking trades during times where it's doing shit like this, where you probably shouldn't be trading. But this is where everyone can't sit on their hands. They give back all their gains here, and then when the good volume comes in, they're trying to chase these losses and just about getting out of break even. They then doing the same shit all over and over again. That's my motivational speech for the day. Uh, 15 just closed. Bearish respecting this level. You made top wick and re-grab these lows. That's kind of what I'm looking at here. 30. Previous 30 did close respecting that support. Is there no top wick on this 30? A little one. Good advice, thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no worries. It's the market psychology. Yeah, I've done the past few weeks. Yeah. That's it, Harry. It's honestly just about, if you were looking at this and you were back testing times like this would be the time where you'd be skipping on the candles because nothing really makes sense. You'd be skipping on the days, getting to them days where things are starting to break out, things have got more volume. So just always just be mindful of that. Unfortunately, we can't skip time in live markets, but if this is a time where you think you'd probably be doing that, you can recognize that. Yeah, the daily has flipped, hasn't it? Yeah, daily has flipped. And you do still have much lower to come. So I'm still looking for sells. I'm just watching the 5 minute here on the futures. You're grabbing some previous 5 highs. So if you start breaking some lows, skip days and skip sessions. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, that's it, honestly. That's what I always think, man. Sometimes when I jump on even the daily, sometimes it doesn't really make much sense to me. I'm like, if I was backtesting this, I'd probably be skipping this. So I'm like, well, let me just wait till tomorrow. Wait till the daily makes more sense. Because that's the reason people do so good in backtesting and so shit in live markets. It's because the days where you just skip forward in real time, you can't skip them forward. You end up watching it all the time. Just grabbing previous 5 highs. See if we get 5. Bearish 5 closure. You got 2 equal lows there. You made top wick and sell again. It says grabbing previous 5 highs as well. Grabbing the highs. You got some lows to come down and grab, and you got all the way down here. That'll be the next area. Two kind of equal lows there. 5 bearish close, top wick, and potential sells. And you'll be risking about 5-ish ticks. Oh no, don't tell me that, Harry. Don't tell me that, man. Let me have a look. Do I have a practice one? Yes, I do. Let me see. Used to back to stop doing it. It was really hurt. Yeah. I don't do it too much anymore, man. Yeah, it's not super reliable. Mine was my fill just then was about 1 tick there on gold. I just took a little test trading that on that practice one. It was 1 tick. No bearish close, no shorts. I need a bearish close respecting this resistance here to the left to sell. Mine was 4. Damn. Mine was only 1 just then. 4 is pretty crazy, man. I'll definitely take a screenshot of that. Got 3 equal lows now. Close like this. This is good. Close like this. Top wick. You risk off this high and you have some sells. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, 30's looking bearish. 15, yeah, regrab 15 lows. Yep. Nothing can beat actual live chart time. Yeah, 100%, mate. Yeah, I agree, man. Yeah. So much more valuable. That's why I think simulation sessions are also great as well. Simulation sessions are super helpful. If you can treat it like real money, like a real account, you know, absolutely. But yeah, I mean, even if you guys show up here 2 hours every single day, even if you don't take a trade, seeing the same shit happen over and over again will really pay off. You literally just sit on these streams, do nothing, and you'll still subconsciously learn so much. No, I actually haven't, man. No, I haven't. I still want to. I'm actually gonna let me Google that now before I forget. Let me go FX replay. I'm gonna do it. I'll do that tonight. Actually, I'll set that up tonight. Yeah, everyone's been saying that's good. I want to try that. It's a 5-day free trial. Nice. A bit of a doji. I mean, if you get an instant top wick, I will consider it here. It's not the best 5-minute close, but it's also not the most bullish. Futures still did close bearish. I have no top wick on this futures. My futures is just sideways, not even moved up or down yet. So if you take a break of the low. If you break this high, then it becomes invalid. But if you start to flip from here, we may look for some sells. I'm going to put a sell stop on this current flip of this current 5 on gold on the futures. If you break this 5-minute high here, I will cancel. But I have a sell stop on this current 5 on the futures, half risk. If you break the 5 highs, you'll go much higher. But the futures is looking much cleaner here, actually. If you break that 5 high, it's invalid. So let's see. There you go. Yep. So cool. Sell stop in. Just cancel the sell stop. No trade, no loss. Fucking hell, gold. God damn. What are you doing to us, gold? Agree, having a community like this helps a lot too. We should find this community sooner. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Go to free trial. Yeah, I'll give the free trial a go. Yeah, I didn't know I heard that. I'll definitely do that. Let me do it now. Actually, let me do it now whilst we wait. If remember, I've cancelled that sell stop. By the way, guys, cancel that sell stop. Because I wanted to see that. What I was trying to do there is what we were saying earlier. Rejection, regrab the highs, retest, and see if we get that evening star down into the lows. Now that it's grabbed this high, if this 5-minute close is respecting this, then you may do it on that next one as well. Doesn't always have to happen on this one. That's why you take the break of the low. But my my futures chart here, current 5 doesn't even have a bottom wick. Whereas that FX chart did actually quickly create a bottom wick and then push up. So if that was the same as futures, it would have tagged you in and it just quickly wicked up. But luckily, futures has no bottom wick. And I also am being mindful that if this 5 minute does start to close bullish, I don't want it to happen, but this 30 could close respecting that support to then push up, which I don't really want to see happen just yet. If I make it grabbed at 23, 20, 40. Yeah. I think I've got the same. Oh, these ones, yep. These are the ones I was trying to take these shorts down here. Once you grab these 5 highs, I wanted this 5 minute to wick out these 5 highs so I could take the scalp down, but it never did, and then grabbed it. What a shit show. Yeah, literally. But, you know, we haven't taken a trade yet. We also haven't taken a loss, which is good. I think we've maybe put in 1 or 2 sell orders that haven't quite been tagged in. Again, that's the beauty of putting in them the buy and sell stops. If you took a retest entry here, you'd get stopped out every single time. But if it doesn't break candle highs or lows and it just keeps ranging, then you just cancel the sell order. Cancel the order and wait. That's it, man. W psychology, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Speaking of 1 minute, maybe we got to start trading the 1 minute. Fuck that, maybe not. Let me get off that. Let's never do that again. That was disgusting. Let me just have a quick look at everything else here. So it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin back down at 65. Let's have a quick look at oil. Secret time frame. Oil. I was looking for some sells on oil for a swing down into the 60s. But weekly close back bullish, straight back up. Nasdaq still pushing all-time highs. Yeah, look at that. Nasdaq ripping. Fucking hell, may as well just buy and hold Nasdaq. US dollar. Yeah, we'll have a look, man. Booming, absolutely booming. Look at that. 10% return on your money since April to June. There's your year done if you're a long-term investor. What else? If anyone wants to look at anything else, it doesn't have to just be futures. If anyone's looking at anything else, want me to take a look at whilst you wait on Goldie here, this 30 close, then feel free to send it over. If we close respecting the support, we may have that morning star again. Based off the 30. Oh, US dollar, yeah. Let's have a look. Where is it? Where's my US dollar chart? Here. GJ, yep, absolutely. Yeah, US dollar. I do think you're gonna come. I do think US dollar makes sense to come higher. Like you're looking at this weekly, you faked out of this trend line. You grab these week lows. Like US dollar looks like you come all the way back up into here, like the hundreds, 105. Eventually 110 pretty easily, which should give gold the push down. Shit coins, absolutely. GJ, haven't looked at GJ in a while. Let's have a look. GJ. I'm just watching gold on the 5 minute here. It's all good. Yeah, gold lower. Yeah, gold lower, man. Yep. GJ, wick the lows, wick the highs. Been in a weekly range for the past 1, 2, 3 weeks at a very, very big level. How did last month close? Very, very strong. Look, that's a huge amount. Look at that. Monthly broke out of 192, bottom wicked, and then reflip back bullish. That's crazy. Would you want to be buying up here? Probably not. If you wanted to be buying GJ, you probably would want to be buying GJ down here. So could you sell it down into there? Well, the daily grab the lows, close bearish, reclose back bullish yesterday. So not yet. Not yet. You wouldn't want to be selling it into there yet. If you start closing back above here on the daily, then just react to longs. But it's kind of too overextended to buy it from here personally. But from one thing I remember when I used to trade GJ, is it can look like it's going to creep up. If you keep trying to short it, it will just creep up and up and up like this, up and up and up and up. Does it all the time. It can just keep pushing, keep squeezing up. So yeah, with the way that yesterday closed, you make them a little bit higher. It's pretty ugly in this area. I would wait for I personally, if I was trading GJ, I wouldn't trade it today. I'd want to see a daily closure back above here to go long, or see how today closed. You got 2 equal lows down there as well, but with the way that daily closed, I would need to see how this day's going to close. Goldie's starting to push back down here on the 5. Let me just have a look. Regrab previous 5 highs. If you close bearish, they may top wick into here again, and we'll still look for themselves. How long to the close? 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. 340 pips sell. Amazing. Yeah, these ranges are big, aren't they? These ranges are very big. Yeah, these are huge. Big ranges. It's 350. That's massive. You still got that EJ swing mark? You still got it? Where are you in from? You in from like what, down here or something? This gold, if this 5 minute closes bearish on gold, then fantastic. The 30 will still be closed out of this messy range for the first time today. See here? 30-minute time frame here. If we close bearish here, it's the first time since 6 a.m. that we're finally breaking out of this range. And the 30's finally closing bearish. Yeah, been pushing gold runners now. Yeah, nice. Nice, man. Very nice. Good hold. USD chart, see what gold. Nah, not really, to be honest, because sometimes they can be so uncorrelated. Like, I mean, that's the fundamentals of how it should work. But you can kind of see DXY has been pushing up, and so is gold, whereas you'd expect it to be opposite. So I take it with a pinch of salt, to be honest. I use it for like an overall analysis, but yeah, the DXY has been pushing up. Gold's also been pushing up, so I wouldn't focus too much attention to it. Just as like a, you know, an overall longer term, if the DXY is looking like overall long term, it could push up, then, you know, overall gold, you know, can continue to sell off. Yeah, it's correlated with the Australian dollar, man. Yep. And there was some Australian dollar news today. Rate cuts, I think. Was it rate cuts? Stayed the same? Interest rates. Pushed up. Gold didn't out. Let's see. Just 5 minutes looking nice. 5 minutes closing bearish, which is also given that 30 a bearish close. If we can top wick into here, you know, we may have some sells here on gold all the way down into here and down into here. Be good to us, gold. Be good to us here. We've been patient today. Somewhere around there, then you can risk off here. And you're trying to run it down into here. 24, but I need a top wick. I need a top wick into here at least. And these lows will be our management point. So I want to see it push up before grabbing these lows. There you go. Push up, Goldie. If we get an entry from around here, risking off these previous 5 highs that grabbed the previous 5 highs and drop lower, we're risking like 8 ticks, which is nice. There you go, pushing up. No sells. I want to see signs of rejections, and then we'll put it in. As soon as we throw signs of rejections, we'll look to sell here, and we'll risk off this 5 high. And the reason I'm not taking a retest entry today, because every time I've tried to look at a retest entry today, it's just completely pushed. So I'm new here. That's a good, man. I need to apologize. Yep, I'll explain it for you, man. I'll just see if we'll get this entry, man. I'll absolutely explain to you, man. But no need to apologize, man. Ask away. Ask absolutely anything, man. That's what these are all about. It's a good question, and it's an important one. So I'll explain it to you. Let's see, Goldie going lower, get some sales. Yeah. If we start to wick back down, look like we're going to close respecting this level, I will look to market execute some sells. This right now is the reason I'm not taking retest entries here. I don't want to say I'm over refining today, but I'm being extra cautious with the shit we've had to deal with so far today. I'm being extra cautious. It's one of them days where if you take a trade today and you take a loss, you're going to be pissed. because it was a day where nothing was super clear and the volume's not super strong. But if we wick back down, close, respect this level, I will, as an average sell-in area from here down into here and here, yeah, it's good enough for me. Here is where we're trying to target. Yeah, this is looking nice now. You can probably risk off like there. Let's see. Let's see, 2 minutes. What would you take if you took the break of the low? Remember, this is a 30 top wick as well. If you took the break of the low, break even point is 6, which is not much, but would you still get 20 into there? Yeah, you would actually. So taking the break of the lows down into here, you would still get your 20. Looks like a huge drop. It's only 20 ticks. Let's see, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me try on to the toilet, guys. 2 seconds and we'll stay on for a little bit longer here. Oh, not a bad close. How are we going to open in this next 5? Fucking hell. I need a top wick to sell this. If we get a quick top wick, we could sell it. But reasons we want the top wick. I'll just draw it on. So with the way that previous 30 closed bearish, gold's pushing there, literally 5 minute thing of a single top wick. Previous 30 closed bearish like this. So if we want to see this next 30 continue pushing down, then we know it needs to look something like this. And we need to see this created, because if this doesn't get created and you open and just instantly push down, then that could be the bottom wick to then create the top wick, and then you can get trapped in on the wrong side. So you want to see a 30 close bearish and you want to see it open. You can push down a little bit first, but you want to see it push up within the first couple of minutes to then create that top wick to then see it push back down. Yeah, I know you guys, and you can't see it. I can't draw it on Zoom and stream. It's only for the Zoom guys, unfortunately. You can only see my trading view chart. So yeah, you want to see 30. If 30 is going to close bearish, you want to see the next 30 continue closing bearish, and it's going to look something like this. Well, then you want to see this created first, and then you want to take the flip of the candle here. You want to risk off that high, and then you want to get the continuation back down. If it opens and just instantly pushes down, then that can be the bottom wick to it to then come up and create the top wick. And if you instantly start jumping in sells, then you can get trapped on the wrong side. So just like this current 30, you've closed bearish. You want to see that top wick created to then See if you can get this 30 to continue pushing down. Yeah, apologies, you guys on YouTube. I don't know why I can't show the zoom drawings and on YouTube, unfortunately. This 5 minutes couldn't give a quick little top wick, could it? Could be choppy until the news, yeah, possibly. I really wanted a short from this level. I just wanted this 5 just to give a quick top wick. Literally open and just push down, which I'm just not gonna take. Not gonna take. There you go, there's a push. You said when double bottom wick is pushed too much. Well, if it's on the 30, you know, like this, we're looking for this 30 top wick, and the 5 minute starts closing above levels, then you want to see the 5 minute close back below. Then you can still hold it. Look at that on gold. Literally, that 5 minutes didn't give. My futures doesn't even have a single top wick. Doesn't have a single top wick. Just pushing down. Nah, I wouldn't taking that. Nah, not no top wick on that 5. Nah. But yeah, that's the level we want to short off. And as it pushing, I mean, it's 14 ticks. It's nothing. It looks like it's pushing down so much. It's literally 14 ticks. It's nothing. I'd love to be in it, but yes, 5 gave no top wick. As soon as you grab these lows, this would be where we would have to manage risk anyway. We wouldn't take anything off at 14 either. 14 is not worth our time. We're at least like 18 to 20. But as soon as you grab these lows, that's where you got to manage your risk. But if I wasn't on stream, I wouldn't even be watching this 5 right now. I also would be watching 30 closures and chilling. I literally wouldn't even be watching it. Because the high time frame just doesn't make too much sense to me right now. Yeah, 14. You wouldn't screen it at 14. Ideally, you're trying to rip it down into there. In short, break even. Yeah, nice. Yep. Good job, Michael. It did what we wanted, I guess. You know, it did respect this level and push down. I just kind of wanted it to either flip in this 5. If we can't flip it on that 5, I want that 5 to give a quick top wick. Now that 5 just grabbed the lows, close respect, and instant bottom wick again. Do you watch the 5 and 30? I watch all time frames, man. I watch all of them. All of them. I execute off the 5 based off what the 15 and 30 are doing, but the reason I'm not really watching the 15 is because the 30 doesn't really make much sense. If the 30 doesn't make much sense, then nothing in between really will. But yeah, I watch all of them. You know, I watch how it closes once it's actually closed, or you know, 5 to 10 minutes away from the close. Then I want to see how it's closing. But yeah, I watch all of them. But when you're scalping, yeah, executing off the 5. Executing off the 5 based off what the 30 and 15 is closing. Like the 5 minutes never to generate trade ideas. 5 minutes just to execute based off the 30 closure. So 30 closed bearish below this level. Execute the 5 minute on that 30 top wick because the 30 closed bearish to push down. If you grab these lows there, that'll be me for the day. Wanted to be in these shorts, but there's just nothing clear. Nothing clear. Even this 5 here, and the futures has no top wick, so it literally would have been impossible if you to try and get in that. No top wick. If you want to see it push down, you want a top wick to push down. Same as this current 5. This current 5 on the FX chart literally has no top wick. Straight rip down. 5 minutes extremely tough today, which is fine. I'm just not going to watch it for much longer. This price action is not very nice. Yeah, you can see, you know, we're pushing down. We are pushing down overall, but you know, it's very choppy. You push down, you go doji for like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, then you push down. You go doji, push up, push down, push up. No top wick, push down. This whole London move down could literally just get retraced in 1 candle in New York. Like these are, you know, these are very, very small pushes down. You zoom out here, they're very, very small. This hourly broken that level is pushed down 14 ticks. Just about 14 ticks in an hour is crazy. Gonna call it a night. Thanks so much for all your efforts. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Glad you enjoyed it, man. Grab the 4-hour lows. Yeah. Gold trading course. There is in the community, man. Yep. Not like a specific course that I necessarily sell, but there is all within the community, man. So yeah, this 15 close. The 15 just closes bearish. Then that's the next range done. So I'm not going to do much for the next 15 now. This is the 15 we wanted to sell. But accounts if you don't stick to plan. Yeah, 100% Mary. Yeah, it'd be easy just to chase this. That's why if this just pushes to close like this, that's gonna be my day. This push down now. That's the move we wanted. Didn't give the entry, so be it. Wait again. I'm not gonna short it from here, and I'm not gonna buy it from here either. So 15 just closed bearish. Yeah, that's it for me. Oh wait, you're finally getting a top wick. Look at that. Instant top wick. Wick up a little bit more and I'll consider it. It's the first time this whole push down we got an instant top wick. I'm trying to short into these lows. What do you have from here? Let's see. 8 ticks. 8 ticks into the lows. Nah, you're at 30 spot now. I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close. Yeah, we'll leave it there, guys. It's not doing anything. Price is just chopping, and these charts give me a bit of a headache. To be honest, I'm not really interested in watching this anymore. Nothing's really that clear. It's kind of pointless sitting there watching this. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this 30 to close. See if we close. You know, this 30 could easily still wick all the way back up. Look how many 30 highs you haven't grabbed. You haven't grabbed any 30 highs for quite some time. So yeah. I'll leave it there. You guys on Zoom, we will be active once this maybe 4-hourly closes. I honestly don't see anything here right now, so I'm just going to take a break from the charts. I'm pretty burnt out from just watching this go sideways for so long. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably for the New York market call. You guys on Zoom in about 2-3 hours. Wait for a little bit more price action, and we'll jump on the pre-New York market call, and then we'll have that news later on as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys took some value anyway, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. See you, man. See you guys. Bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. I got a bit of a headache from watching gold this morning, I'll be honest. So I'm gonna take a break from this. I really wanted to be in these sells, but it didn't give me a top wick, so I couldn't sell it. And now Now it's pushing down to our full target, and sometimes that happens. So didn't take a trade, didn't also take a loss. Called the move down perfectly, but executing it wasn't very simple. So we'll wait for news. And you guys on YouTube be live again, same time again tomorrow. So I'll see you guys there. I'm going to go take a break. And I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Trade safe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.